Question number 8. Properties of electric field lines. First part. What is electric field line? So you have positive charge and negative charge. If you place a test charge here at this point, it will experience, yes, force of repulsion due to positive and force of attraction due to negative. So it will move towards right. If you place it here, it will move towards right. So if you place here, it will move towards right. That means what? If you place a positive charge, it moves along this line. So in this case, it is a straight path. If you place it somewhere here, it will experience a force, repulsive force due to positive charge, attractive force due to this negative charge. So it will move, yes, resultant of force 1 and force 2, that means along this line. So we trace a path, positive charge, this is tangent to the curve. Now we define what electric field line is. Electric field line is a curve and right or a straight line. Add curve or a straight line drawn in such a way that the tangent to it at each point is in a direction of net field at that point. So electric field line can be curved. This is what? A curve. This is what? Straight line. Such that tangent at any point gives net electric field at that point or the direction in which the positive charge will move. So if you place a positive charge, it will move here. If you place here, this is how a positive charge will trace the path. So this line is known as field line, electric field line. 2 minutes with you to write first part. What is electric field line? 2 marks board question. What is electric field line? Point number 1, properties. Yes. They start from electric field lines. Start from positive charge. As in 10th class, magnetic field lines start from north, end up at south. So here they start from positive. So line moves from positive to negative. Here also line starts from positive, end up at negative. start from positive, end up at negative. 2. Electric field lines, yes, end at negative charge. 1 minute to write point number 1 and 2. Point number 1 and 2. Three, 2 marks question board. No two electric field lines cross each other. Let us assume the 2 lines cross each other. This is line number 1. This is line number 2. Let us temporarily assume the 2 lines cross each other. If 2 lines cross each other, as per definition, if you place a charge here, as per definition, this charge will move in, yes, this point is P. As per this definition, this positive charge will move, yes, tangent. So, this is tangent 1. So, as per line number 1, if you place a positive charge here, it will move along tangent 1. 2. If you place a charge here, it will move along a tangent 2. These 2, that is, if you place charge 1, these 2 tangents indicate that it will experience force. If it experiences a force, as per line 1, this charge will move along this line. As per this curve, it will move along this line. So, at one point, it is moving in 2 directions. Is it possible that one particle at one point of time in space moves in 2 directions simultaneously, that is, at a given instant of time? It's not. That is why it is not possible that this charge, that these 2 lines can cross each other. The explanation is, let 2 electric field lines cross each other at P as shown in the figure. Electric field at any point is tangent to line at that point. At point P, there are 2 tangents T1 and T2. It means charge will have 2 accelerations when placed at P, which is not possible. So, no 2 lines cross each other. Time with you is 2 minutes to write. As per definition, charge at P should move along tangent 1 and tangent 2. 2, it will mean what? 2 acceleration of particle at one point simultaneously. It is not possible for a particle to have 2 acceleration at one point at one time. So, no two lines can cross each other. Answering by negation. That means if it moves along that resultant, that means there will be one line, this line. If the resultant is along this, then it will be only one line. Four. Line, electric line won't form a closed loop. Electric field line. Electric field line. That is for electrostatic. Do not form closed loop. Means what? There is a positive charge. You start from this point and end up at the same point. It is not possible. That starting point is also positive and it will end up at same. So it is not. It is do not. This is not possible. Now you have comparison. Yes. Contract longitudinally. Lines contract longitudinally. Means what? You have positive charge. Field lines move out from positive and end up at negative. If you extend, it appears the two will, yes, cross, intersect, but two lines won't intersect. So what is the solution to this problem? Solution is that it is not that the two will cross each other, but it is one line and another line. It will merge like this. Means what? Similarly here also, it will merge like this. Means what? This line was moving in a particular direction. The other is also moving in a particular direction. It is contract. It will contract along the line joining the centers of the two. They contract along the length. Means contract longitudinally. This is what we mean by the term contract longitudinally. The second part is they repel laterally. Repel laterally. Means what? Think of two positive charges. Positive charge, another is also positive charge. So there is a line moving out of this, another line moving out of this. The two will, if you extend it, the two will cross, but two lines cannot cross. So there are two lines moving like this. They won't cross each other, but they will repel each other. Means what? If you extend it, the lines appear to be repelling each other, like steel wires. If you take steel wire 1, steel wire 2, the two come in contact. The moment they come in contact, they won't cross each other, they won't cut each other, they will repel each other.